Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add your members in Trello. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Trello website, and after that we have to open our account. And after opening the account, simply we need to go to the members section. And after going to the members section, as you can see, has option for the private and the Trello workspace. So these all options are provided here. If you want to edit them, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on the cancel. So as you can see, has the option for the invite workspace members. So we have to click on this, and now we have to provide the email address of our member. For example, I'm going to write a random email address here. So let's write this, and we are going to invite this member. And after inviting this member, it will be added in our section. So as you can see, I have added this email. So I'm going to click on this, and as you can see, now let's click on the send invite. And after clicking on send invite, the invitation will be sent. So as you can see, the invitation is sent. You can send the invitation like this. So if you want to invite with the link, you can also do that. You will get the link, and you need to share that link. So as you can see, I've got the link. If I'm going to paste the link here, as you can see, it will work like this. So I'm going to delete this, and now let's go to the back. So as you can see, in this way you can invite your members. You have to click on this option, and you have to write the email address, and you will also be able to see that how many members you have invited and how many members have accepted your invitation. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can invite your peoples on Trello. So see you guys in the next video.